have great memories of being a part of Colleges Against Cancer, which is the club that we have on campus that supports the American Cancer Society values. And then being a part of Relay, it's 24 hours. We listen to bands, we play games, we raise money for cancer. We do so many great things. We build like wonderful friendships, and we played energy drink pong and lots of fun things. So it's a night to never forget.
One of my best memories was when it was during our first relay, when our entire committee had got together and we had just started doing our Luminaria ceremony, and we had just finished lighting the Hope on the steps with Luminarias, and just the entire quad had been kind of rustling and bustling with noise right beforehand, and as soon as the last candles were lit, everybody was just silent. And it was just like everybody at that point just kind of started getting very emotional and very excited that we were all part of like this collective event together, and we were actually working towards something. So that was probably one of my favorite moments with Relay for Life.
Every relay has certain like emotions tied to it. Like I will always say my first relay, as much as I've done so many of them, my first relay was really the most important one, because that was when my mom was just finishing up her chemo. So like she was just at that point finally where like I think she stopped in May and relay was in June that year, and it was a community relay, and it was the first time she really left the house since she was diagnosed. And she did the survivor walk, and I remember within maybe 5 minutes of the first ceremony I was bawling, like total disgusting snotty mess. And she does the walk and I'm sobbing and she's sobbing and my dad's sobbing and my whole family is like, all of her friends and family are there and we're all just a giant snotty mess. And that to me was the reason I got involved and stayed involved, was just the idea that like that one moment, it took 10 minutes and I was hooked.